Anybody would like to contribute?
Look at gaps, problems that exist.
Observations. Yeah. True. So what happens is research gaps. So what will happen is that we will start reading research papers. How many research papers can we read?
As much as we can.
How much we can retain? So this is very exhaustive approach, okay, and that's why you need mentorship of the person who you, when you discuss with that person, you also understand, this thing you are doing right or you are going in the right direction. Now second thing is, we always get ideas that I am facing this problem. Okay, in different, if I have a different background, then I will think about that problem differently. And then if we do research around that thing, it can help us to identify the area. It is not always about that we have to solve high level problems. Okay, it is always about the problem. It is not about starting thinking about the problem that it is a big problem, I should contribute my time to it or not. It is socially relevant problem or not. That should be our parameter. For example, fake news example we take. Can anybody tell me? I think you understand what is fake news, misinterpretation of the facts and all these things. Everybody is on social media and all these things. So fake news is that you are representing fact wrongly, or your fact is wrong, or you are interpreting it wrongly, and then you want the audience which is consuming that information to have a different point of view with the same fact. That can also be fake news, because that is long-term purpose of engagement and then diverting your attention if you are not critically aware of how that information is being fed to you and what they are actually trying to do with your mindset. Because ultimately what they want is something from you, whether it may be your vote, or it may be your money, or it may be some attention from your side. So that is the case. Now we have been victim of fake news. Sometimes what happens is, we have a saying in our life, in our society, कि झूठ जब तक सच जब तक अपने जूते पहन रहा होता है, झूठ तब तक दुनिया का चक्कर लगा के आ चुका होता है. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if we think about it, this is, सबने सुना है ये सब चीजें, इसका रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम बना. अब यहाँ पे बोला सब everything is vague, लेकिन we are understanding what is being conveyed, but there is no quantification. हमने बोला कि स्पीड जो है झूठे न्यूज की या फिर फेक न्यूज की ज्यादा है. यही हमारा कहने का मतलब इस सेंटेंस से, जो भी मैंने बोला. ठीक है, कितनी ज्यादा है?
बहुत ज्यादा.
बहुत ज्यादा है. लेकिन अभी भी मुझे नहीं पता कि आपका बहुत ज्यादा कितना है और मेरा बहुत ज्यादा कितना है. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
और nobody knows.
Exactly.
तो किसी का बहुत ज्यादा इतना हो सकता है, किसी का इतना हो सकता है, किसी का जो है जम्मू कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी भी हो सकता है.
रेफरेंस के तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, so we need quantification of this बहुत ज्यादा. This is one research problem.